Hello everyone, today we will talk about our group presentation, which is about conic section. So here, the first slide explains what is conic section. So conic sections are planes cut at varied angles from cone, and the shapes vary according to the angle at which it is cut from the cone. By cutting and taking at different angles to the edge of a cone, we can create a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, or a hyperbola. Conical shapes are two-dimensional, which is shown on x and y axis. Let's move to the second slide. Here, we can see real-life application. So, car tire is example of like circle, and then rainbow, parabola shaped, and the oval-shaped mirror is similar to an ellipse. So, in the third slide, we can see why we use conic section. So here, conic section have a wide range of applications in mathematics, physics, engineering, and other fields. Conic section also have important properties that can make them useful in optimization problems and geometric constructions. Overall, conic section are a fundamental concept in mathematics and have many practical applications.
Next, we want to talk about circle. The introduction of circle. The circle is the simplest and best known conic section. As a conic section, the circle is the intersection of the plane perpendicular to the cone's axis, like the diagram on the right. A circle is a set of all points P with a coordinate xy in the plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point C with a coordinate hk. The fixed point C are called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance from point P to point C is the radius of the circle R.
Now I want to describe about the standard form and general form of the circle is the equation. So the standard equation for a circle with center hk and radius r is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. This is the equation for a circle with the center hk. So in the simplest case of a circle whose center is at the origin, the equation is simply a restatement of the Pythagorean theorem x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. So now, for the general form of a circle equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is the general form of a circle equation. So if the question asks, find the equation of that circle, we can use this to find it. Where negative g, negative f is the center of the circle and the radius. This is the equation. R equals to square root g squared plus f squared minus c. So now, this is tangent and normal. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of tangency. So look at the diagram. For this one, the line PT, this one is the tangent of this circle. So this is always perpendicular to the radius. If PT and QT are tangents for the same circle, and P and Q is the point of the tangency. This one is the point of tangency. The gradient for normal can be obtained from the gradient of tangent as normal always perpendicular to tangent. Then m1, m2 equals to negative 1, where m1 and m2 are the gradient of two perpendicular lines. So we want to find the gradient of one of the line, or tangent or normal, and already provided another one, the gradient. Then we can use this equation, m1, m2 equals to negative 1.
Then we will move to our first problem, which is here. You can see a circle shaped image, very beautiful, right? And then we can see a equation. Yeah. So here the equation is x squared plus y squared plus 24x plus 10y plus 160 equals 0. We have to find out the center and the radius of the circle. How? By using the complete square method. By using the complete square method, we can get the equation very easily. So I have given a handwritten note where I solve the equation easily so all of you can understand. Okay, so here.
So now, let me talk about this problem solving. Find the equation of the circle passing through P1, negative 2, Q, 5, 4, and R, 10, 5. So let's see the solution. Let the equation of the circle be x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. First one, we use this one, P1 negative 2. This one 1 is x, negative 2 is y. So we just substitute this information into this form. So we get 1 squared plus negative 2 squared plus 2g times 1 plus 2f times negative 2 plus c equals to 0. Then we will get this 2g minus 4f plus c equals to negative 5. The second one, we use this one, Q5, 4. 5 is the x, 4 is the y. So we just substitute inside, it's the same step. 5 squared plus 4 squared plus 2g times 5 plus 2f times 4 plus c equals to 0. Then we will get 10g plus 8f plus c equals to negative 41. The third equation we get is from this r 10, 5, 10 is x, 5 is y. So we just substitute inside this form. 10 squared plus 5 squared plus 2g times 5, 10 plus 2f times 5 plus c equals to 0. So we will get 20g plus 10f plus c equals to negative 125. Then we subtracting 1 from 2 using the substitution or elimination method. So we just use the elimination method. So we will get 8g plus 12f equals to negative 36, or 2g plus 3f equals to negative 9. We already eliminate the c, so we get this one. So subtracting 2 from 3 gives 10g plus 2f equals to negative 84. This one is the same step as this, but it's just subtracting 2 from 3, and we get this, the fifth equation. So subtracting 4 from 5. 4 from 5 gives negative 13f equals to negative 39, and f equals to 3. 4 we want to start 5 because we want to eliminate the 10, the g. We need to get both of them is the same. Using this 2g plus 3f equals to negative 9. 2 times 5 will be 10. Then we will eliminate the g. So we get this one, f equals to 3. So from 4 we use back this. We just substitute this one, f equals to 3. Then we will get g equals to negative 9. So we use the information that we get. Then we just substitute into this one, the first equation. And we get c equals to 25. So the equation for this circle is x squared plus y squared minus 18x plus 6y plus 25 equals to 0.
The next question is, what are the coordinates of points of intersection with the pair of circle x squared plus y squared minus 3x plus 5y minus 4 equals to 0, and x squared plus y squared minus x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. First, we let the x squared plus y squared minus 3x plus 5y minus 4 equals to 0 as equation 1, and x squared plus y squared minus x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0 as equation 2. Next, we subtracting the second equation from the first. X squared minus x squared equals to 0, y squared minus y squared equals to 0. Negative 3x minus negative 1x equals to negative 2x. 5y minus 4y equals to y. Negative 4 minus negative 7 equals to 3. So we will get y equals to 2x minus 3. Then we substitute the y equation into the second equation. We will get x squared plus 2x minus 3 squared, negative x plus 4 times 2x minus 3 minus 7 equals to 0. X squared plus 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 minus x plus 8x minus 12 minus 7 equals to 0. We will get 5x squared minus 5x minus 10 equals to 0. Then we divide this equation, divide by 5. We will get x squared minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Then we will get the x value, which is x equals to 2, x equals to negative 1. Then we substitute the x value into the y equation. When x equals to 2, y equals to 2 times 2 minus 3, y equals to 1. When x equals to negative 1, y equals to 2 times negative 1 minus 3 equals to negative 5. Find the equation of tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 3y plus 2 equals to 0 at the point 4, negative 2. And we know that the equation of the circle in the general form is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Then we will get 2g equals to negative 4, g equals to negative 2. 2f equals to 3, f equals to 3 over 2, and c equals to 2. Next, we will find the center of the circle by using negative g and negative f. We will get the center of the circle with a coordinates 2 and negative 3 over 2. Next, we will find the gradient of the normal. To find the gradient of the normal, we are using the formula m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 over x1. Then we substitute the center point with a coordinate 2 and negative 3 over 2, and the point given in the question 4 and 2. Then we will get the gradient of the normal is equal to negative 1 over 2. Then we know that the linear equation of the general form is y equals to mx plus c. We substitute y equals to negative 2, m equals to negative 1 over 4, x equals to 4. Then we will find out c equals to negative 1. So we will get the equation of the normal equals to y equals negative 1 over 4x minus 1. Next, we will find the gradient of the tangent by using the formula m1 times m2 equals to negative 1. We substitute the m1 equals to negative 1 over 4, we will get the m2 equals to 4. Then we substitute y equals to negative 2, m equals to 4, x equals to 4, we will get c equals to negative 18. So the equation of the tangent is y equals to 4x minus 18.
So now I want to talk about the summary. The standard form equation circle that with center hk is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. Circles that center in origin is x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. So the general form equation for general form is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Circle with center negative g, negative f is r equals to square root g squared plus f squared minus c. And the tangent part is tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. Equation for finding gradient of tangent is m1, m2 equals to negative 1. So our group presentation is until here. Thank you for watching us.